Hey guys, hey Laura. Hey guys, hey lovers, hey everybody. How you all doing? It's your girl Debbie and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back again guys. I feel excited today. Some of you wondering what's wrong with this girl. But anyway, let me introduce myself for the first time as here. So if this is the first time on my YouTube channel, my name is Debbie and you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop nice comment, share to your loved ones so they can also join you here. Okay, so today guys, let me just go straight to the point because there's no need to waste time. I don't know how those of you that have been in Canada have been doing this, but it's really not easy because I don't know, for me the cravings keeps getting worse day by day, every day different craving for different particular food. Because I remember when I was in Nigeria, the way they used to beg me to eat, like I eat and I was forming, then I didn't know that I was going to pass through this stuff. But since I got here, all those food I was forming for, every day I'm craving for them. And it's not really easy getting our food here. It's either it doesn't taste exactly the way it is, or you don't even see it or stuff like that. Like because it's something that is making it impossible. But God has been helpful. I've been trying to satisfy my cravings. So today I've been craving oha soup for a while and I decided to prepare it today. But there's a problem. I couldn't get, you guys know that, please don't laugh at my pronunciation. I'm not an evil girl, but I'll try and pronounce them well. I couldn't get ofo, I couldn't get achi or cocoyam or any of this stuff. You guys know how to prepare oha soup. Those stuff you use as thickeners. Yeah. But I'm improvising. So those of you that stay in Canada that have been craving oha soup, come closer, let me whisper to you and tell you guys what I'm using. I'm improvising it. Don't tell those of them in Nigeria, so don't laugh at us. I'm using flour. So I'm improvising with. I told you guys, don't tell them so they don't know. So I'm going to be improvising with that to make our house soup. Hopefully, I pray to God it turns out well because I'm so positive about this. I have never used it before. I've been hearing people use it. Don't tell people in Nigeria the name of this stuff. I've been hearing people use it, but I've never used it, but it's my first time. And Chef Debbie is going to try her best to make sure it comes out great. So before I proceed, I had another thing. I'm also using, okay, this one, let me tell my Nigerian people. I'm using chicken. I couldn't get meat. Yeah. Now people get money. And then they feel good about all this stuff. The funny thing is that when I was in Nigeria, that chicken cost pass. But they buying beef, pomo, and socket meat, all those ones. Then when you want to buy chicken, you have to have plenty money. And I came here. Even I want to go order food. Okay, that I went to one African restaurant. I left to get rice. And then with beef, it's more costlier than with chicken. I don't understand it. So guys, I didn't get my assorted meat, so I'm using chicken. You guys are going to join me for this whole process. Like we're going to prepare it together. I'm also going to show you guys when I'm going to prepare my thickener for the oha soup and all that. So I'm going to quickly show you the stuff I'm using. All these stuffs were gotten from an African store here in Canada. Like as if I show now the bill, it choke. These small things, it wasn't easy getting them. But what will go do just to satisfy this craving and feel good. So I'm not in my house. If you've noticed, I'm actually in my friend's house. You guys can recognize this whole setting, which was where I baked the cake the other day. This place, the feeling that you want to stay around your fellow Nigerians to prepare something this like this, because some of them they're hungry. I just got here last night and they're like, let's prepare beans. I'm sure I couldn't vlog that. I have not had beans since I came to Canada, so I prepared. I'm going to show you guys what is left in the beans. If you see the big pot of beans I prepared, this is what is left. Everybody was so happy and hungry. We had beans and plantain, and I added crayfish, stockfish, and dry fish in the beans. It was really yummy. Like guys, it was sweet. Like the beans sweet. Die. I don't know, these days I get so excited about food. I don't know how it's doing, but whenever I just hear or see food or talk about food, it gets me excited. So let's quickly head over to our oha soup. I'll show you guys what I'm going to be using and we'll prepare everything sharp guys. There's no time. So let's check out our ingredients. So guys, these are my ingredients. I brought this pepper from Nigeria. Some people call it Ghana pepper, some people call it Cameroon pepper. Whatever it is you call it. Then I got this no cube. I've started doing the seasoning here. So this one was got it from African store yesterday. And then this is salt. You guys know already. People that have been watching my videos, I don't eat salt. We didn't have to buy crayfish. This is the last crayfish left in this house. But my friend went to check if she can get some succeeded crayfish. We'll add it. This is what we're going to use. So this is oporoko stockfish that we got from African store. It's not this small. It was in a bag, but I just brought out small. And then this is dry fish. This is our thickener. People in Nigeria don't ask me what is this thing. People in Canada come close, I'll tell you what is how to do it. So this is our uziza leaf. I got it. Uziza leaf. So you can see it's dry. So I'm going to have to put it in water for a bit for it to like whatever it's going to do. This is the oha leaf. So yeah, wow, we're not lucky to be using all this fresh leaf. We have to be using the dry ones. So we got this one from the African store too. Oha leaf, uziza leaf, and then what again? Then my palm oil was also gotten from an African store. So this is basically all my ingredients for this oha soup. So let's start. Okay, yeah, then my chicken is the first thing here. So I'm going to first of all start by washing my chicken and I'm putting it on the fire to boil so that we can proceed sharp. Let's go there. Okay, so you guys have seen my ingredient. Now let's start cooking. You've seen I have never used dry oha and dry uziza to cook before. I pray this comes out well. I'm not scared for myself. Not even I know if you cook for this life, but hopefully I enjoy this food because everybody at home is already anticipating this food and they are hungry and waiting for the oha soup. They're so excited when I was preparing oha soup. And yeah, I didn't show you guys my onion. I'm adding onion to boil my chicken. See, those of you that are at home, you know what God don't do for you. You're seasoning fresh leaf, but nothing spoil. Let's get down to our food. So like I said, I'm going to be improvising. Those people that have not watched my abacha video, you guys notice that I didn't have all my ingredients, like all the African ingredients for making abacha. They all make abacha in Nigeria, but I improvised and it still came out good. It still came out the bomb. I think I'm going to be making more of African food and improvising so that those of you that are here too that have this struggle with me can actually pick up one or two. So I think I'm going to like make this a series, making different African meals and teaching you guys or show you guys hot or how to improvise when you don't have all the things you need. So if you don't watch my abacha video, go and watch it and see how I improvise. So for this one, I'm improvising. Since I can't go and eat Nigerian food, I'm going to bring Nigerian food to me. Let's get into business. Okay guys, let's go. No time. So this is me just washing or rinsing the chicken so that I can put it on fire and start preparing it, just for hygiene purpose. Some people don't really fancy washing their chicken, but I really fancy it and I do it a lot. So while I'm waiting for the chicken to get ready, I decided to get our oha ready. So now I decided to soak it inside warm water first, and after that I'll transfer it to a cold water. For some reasons, maybe just hygiene reasons, I decided to put it inside warm water first. So now I'm going to add the oha has been here for a while. I'm going to add the unziza to the oha. Then they'll soak for a while before I will now transfer them to cold water. And guys, the person that actually made this leaf cut them already, so I don't really need to even cut them again. So once I'm done soaking and washing, like now it's getting soft, I will just put it inside my pot. They cut them already. So now basically everything is ready. When I'm done my leaf, before I will now prepare my thickener. And I'm not going to show my Nigerian people how to prepare the thickener. It's just for people in Canada that wants to prepare oha soup or that have been craving oha soup. So you guys will know our secret, or you guys will not laugh at us. So let's continue. That's basically what I've done so far. The chicken. So our chicken is ready, and I don't want it to get very soft. So you guys know now. So now I'm going to add our stockfish to the pot so that it can boil too. And then when it's soft enough, I'll just add little water and we'll start our soup. Okay, so now our stockfish and our chicken has boiled for a while. Then I'm just going to add our fish, and when this will just boil for some seconds, and I'm going to add our red oil. Guys, I have to scatter this fish like this because I don't have crayfish, so you can serve both as crayfish and fish for me. I'm improvising. So now after a while I'm going to add little water to this and our red onion. The food is almost ready. You guys know oha doesn't take time. So this is our thickener, and then now it's time to get it ready. So this is my plate. I'm just going to get small water from the tap and my spoon and gently pour inside and mix it up together. So this is how I'm improvising with the flour. So in case if you want to prepare oha soup here and you don't know how to get all this stuff we use in Nigeria to make it, try this and thank me later. So just gently stir. So guys, look at this. I have been able to improvise and made a thickener for myself. It's even looking like cocoyam. Okay, so don't forget, if you want to make oha soup, if you crave it, you're not able to get all the thickeners for the soup, try my own recipe and thank me later. Okay, those of you that have tried abacha, someone come and say they tried my own abacha and it worked for her. So try it, and I like getting feedback. Just try it and give me feedback, and we must kill these cravings together. As we cannot go back to Nigeria, we eat it. I just hope that this uzuza leaf is going to be as hot as I know it to be. I pray it's going to be, but I'm not scared because I have my Cameroon/Ghana pepper here, and it's going to do a great job for me. So it's time for the thickener. I added little palm oil to it to just give it that offer color. Yeah. So I'm adding it in. Guys, I wish you could perceive this food. It has this oha smell, even though there's nothing native about it. Because number one is chicken, number two, there was no even crayfish. But I feel like it's a fish that is doing the job for me. And now I was able to turn my thickener to look like ofo, and I'm so proud of myself. Let's gently stir before we add our unzuza and oha leaf. is ready. It turned out well, guys. It has this native smell. I don't know how I did it, but it has this native smell like there was ubi or something. So now we're going to add our unzaza leaf and oha, and we are done. So it's very soft right now. It ended up being soft. Hopefully or thankfully the hot water helps. So that's it. Our oha soup is ready. I'll just allow this to boil for, it won't be up to a minute, and stir. And guys, it's time to eat. Yummy. Okay guys, so soup is ready and I can't wait to down this down, like down it. I'm thinking of the drinks you have to use to put this one down, because this kind of soup, I know if you just chop them like that. It feels very great. So I feel like the next soup I'm going to make will be onubu soup. Let's see how we can make onubu soup without ogiri. Ogiri. So I'm going to think of what we're going to use to improvise, what we're going to use in place of ogiri. So onubu soup is our next soup. Thanks for staying this far. Thanks for watching this far. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for sharing. If you need any clarity in making this soup, you can send me a message anytime. Feel free. WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere, and I'm ever ready to respond and put it through. So until the next time you see my face again on your screen, let me go out. Let me log out. Let me sign out and enjoy my oha soup with my friends, and everybody's excited and ready to eat. Thanks guys, and I'll see you guys again. I remain your favorite girl, Debbie.